Ever wondered how game development companies are leveraging AI to enhance their productivity? Well, prepare to be enlightened by the success story of Scenario Incorporated, a game development company that utilized the power of artificial intelligence to transform their business operations and make significant strides in their industry. Scene Script Scenario Incorporated faced a daunting challenge. The company wanted to reduce the time to market for game studios, a goal that demanded a solution that was both innovative and effective. Enter Generative Artificial Intelligence, or AI, a technology that promised to revolutionize the way Scenario approached game development. The company turned to Amazon Elastic Container Service, or Amazon ECS, to build their generative AI offering. With this powerful tool at their disposal, Scenario was able to implement a continuous integration and continuous deployment process on the AWS Cloud Development Kit, or AWS CDK. This innovative approach allowed the company to generate over 1 million images in its first 2 weeks alone, a testament to the power and efficiency of the technology at their disposal. But that was just the beginning. Within 3 short months, Scenario had expanded its reach to over 40 countries. The company's tools were having a profound impact on the game industry, enabling artists to focus on the creative aspects of their work and helping game developers to create engaging storylines. So the next time you find yourself marveling at the latest video game, spare a thought for the technology that made it possible. Because behind every great game, there's a story of innovation, creativity, and technological prowess. I will include a link to the case study in the description. The impact our cloud architectures deliver extends beyond mere technical implementations. Now that we've taken a broad look at Scenario's journey and success, let's delve deeper into the technical aspects that made this all possible. As we've seen, Scenario leveraged the power of Amazon Elastic Container Services and AWS CDK, but there's more to the story. At the core of Scenario's success were 2 pivotal AWS services: AWS API Gateway and AWS Batch. AWS API Gateway is a fully managed service that makes it easy for developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at any scale. With API Gateway, Scenario could handle thousands of concurrent API calls, allowing them to manage and deploy APIs at an unprecedented scale. On the other hand, we have AWS Batch. This service enables developers to efficiently run hundreds of thousands of batch computing jobs on AWS. With AWS Batch, Scenario could easily and efficiently manage the compute resources that run their high-performance computing jobs. This allowed them to focus on their core business, developing innovative games, instead of worrying about the underlying infrastructure. With AWS API Gateway and AWS Batch, Scenario was not just able to manage APIs at scale, but also handle efficient batch computing workloads. These services played a crucial role in their success, demonstrating once again how the right technology can be a game changer. So the next time you're thinking about technological innovation, remember Scenario's story and the power of AWS services.
You learned something new today. If so, please like this video, share, leave your comment so that I know this content is helping you. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's now. Okay, see you again with yet another exciting tutorial about AWS. Keep learning, keep sharing what you learn, and thanks for watching.